know you can create an enticing YouTube intro with CapCut for free? It's quite easy. Just watch to the end and I'll show you how to do that by yourself. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Tonya Chine. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your YouTube intro with CapCut already designed templates for you. So let's dive into it. So first of all, we'll go to TikTok because all the templates are on TikTok. So open your TikTok, then you search for YouTube intro video. YouTube intro video or YouTube intro templates. Okay, so let's look for YouTube intro templates. It will bring out all these templates for you. You just have to choose the one that you like. Let me show you the templates here. So all these things are templates. Just select the one that you like. So let's use this one. Let me play it so you can see the template. This is the one I used before I designed my new YouTube intro. So yeah, for this one you need some pictures and some videos. I don't know if I have pictures now, but let me show you guys how to use it. Just click on this CapCut YouTube intro. I'm going to circle the place I'm talking about. Just click on it and it will open this page for you. Use templates in CapCut. Then you click on that use template in CapCut and it will open CapCut for you. Okay, it will open the CapCut app for you, and once it opens you can now edit your templates. So yeah, it will show you this page. Then you click on use templates. When you click on it, it will ask you to add videos and pictures to all these things down here. So you have to read the instruction to know what you are going to do. So it says use the same media for clips, mark with the same color. So you have to choose the same media for these three red dots. You have to use the same media for the three of them. Then this yellow one, you have to use the same media. So let's select a photo for the red ones. Let me use this one. As you can see, immediately I touched the photo, this thing CapCut automatically added the photo to the three distinct red dots. Okay, so for the yellow one, let's add, you can actually add photo or video. So let me just use photo for the sake of this video. I don't really have much videos on this thing now, or let's use one video. I have video. Let's use this one. Then for this remaining two, you can add anything. Let me just add photo. I don't have any other video that I can use. Okay, so I've added everything. After adding what you want to add, click on next and it will automatically you get it to add everything for you where it's supposed to be. Okay, if you don't like it, you can go back to edit it. But yeah, it's very simple. Let me play it so you can see what we did now. So this is how it is. Don't mind that CapCut on the video. It will go off when if you export it to, I think if you post it on TikTok, then export it, the CapCut logo or the CapCut watermark will go off. So don't worry about that for now. Then to change the text on it, because you can see it's writing another person's name on it. So to change the text, you can just click on this text and change all the text. You can see all the things that the person wrote on the distinct template. So you can add your names here. You can change anyone that you want to change by just clicking on it, and it will show you where the text is in the video. Then you can click on it and edit it. Okay, you can delete and add anything that you want to add. So that is how you change the text. Then if you want to change the audio, you can also do that as well from here. Or if you don't have any audio for now, that is copyright free, since we are talking about YouTube, you can leave it without audio. Do you get? Maybe later you can add audio, but yeah, that is how you do it. After everything, you just export it and you have your YouTube intro video. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So with this, you can have any YouTube intro video that you want, and it's very easy to use, as you saw in this video. So yeah, that is it. If you gained any value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.